Welcome! If you want to make it easy for anyone to tag you on Instagram, you're in the right place. In this quick and simple guide, I'll show you exactly how to update your settings so everyone can tag you, even if you've changed your preferences in the past or just want to double-check your privacy controls. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to allow tags. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the menu icon at the top right. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on that to open up a list of options. From here, select Your Activity. This section keeps track of everything you do on Instagram, but today we're focusing on your tags. Scroll down until you see the Tags option and tap on it. This will show you the posts you've been tagged in, but we're here to change your settings. At the top of the screen, you'll notice 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots to open up more options. Next, tap on Manage Setting. This is where you control who can tag you in photos, videos, and posts. Under the section labeled Who Can Tag You, you'll see a few different options. To allow everyone to tag you, simply choose Allow Tags from Everyone. This means anyone on Instagram, whether they follow you or not, can tag you in their posts. And that's it. You've now updated your settings so anyone can tag you on Instagram. This is perfect if you want to connect with more people, make your profile more discoverable, or just don't want to miss out on any posts you're featured in. If you ever want to change this back, just follow these same steps and choose a different option. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to get the most out of your Instagram experience.